Today's the day, my friends. Sometime today, probably in the next hour or so, I'm gonna roll over 200,000 miles here in the Dirty Daily. Yes, there are cars with more mileage. There are Camaros of this model year with a lot more mileage. It's a testament to the quality of this particular V6. But an odometer rolling over to that type of milestone is one of those things you don't get to see very often. It's kind of a blink and you'll miss it moment, especially with these digital odometers. And it's just something kind of special to see it. It's like the total eclipse from a couple years ago. Probably a once-in-a-lifetime experience for most people. And if you were working that day inside, couldn't go outside to see it, well, you missed it. And it's not the same to watch it on a playback. I'm currently sitting on 199,956 miles. 44 miles to go. I will definitely cross 200K today. Now, I've bought this car as a certified pre-owned, had about 35,000 miles on it. The Carfax showed that it used to be a rental. I don't want to jinx myself, but it has given me a bit of mechanical trouble outside of wear and tear. I mean, it's been a goddamn champion on the job for me. When I first started my current job, I used to have to carry a lot of stuff, parts, tools for my work. I'd be delivering other stuff, picking up stuff, carry full-size battery backup units for server racks. Really heavy stuff. I mean, and it really unforgiving stuff that would probably make other cars just crumble. But the Dirty Daily has stepped up to the challenge, met it, kicked it in its ass, and sent it on its way. There has been subsequent and expected wear and tear from that type of mileage, the type of driving I was due. You've seen the front bumper before. It's all chipped up. That's why I want to do something about that. I want to do some stuff to the Dirty Daily, kind of refresh it, kind of reward it for all the hard work it's done for me. I traded out of 2013 1LS Camaro. It was the base model, the 6-speed manual. This engine on that 6-speed manual is a great combination. Very peppy, very responsive, and I loved it. But I was really loading up the mileage on it hard. You know, I expired the warranty on mileage in 2 years. Oh yeah, we're getting close now. 199,972 miles. It's almost like a Jerry Lewis telethon. Anybody remember those besides me? It was a Labor Day telethon, and they have to, like, every hour update the total money, the tote board.
We saw a new number. We're gonna see another one. Roll it, please.
Ow!
Let's see that total. 199,972 miles. So when it rolls over, I mean, I don't know, do I hoop and holler? I don't have any confetti. Pull out the manual and see what the 200,000 mile service things are? I don't know. But it's definitely going to happen on this trip out, and I'm kind of excited. There's nothing that can stop us now. Well, I guess something can stop us. 199,992 miles. It is so close. But it's real close. I don't know. I'm mentally doing the math, and I'm wondering if I might pull up in my driveway at 199,999. That would be fucked up. About 5.5 miles to go. It's gonna be so close. Woo! 199,999. Can't believe we're gonna do it. Yeah, I can. This car's amazing. I just gotta be sure I'm looking at the odometer when it actually flips. I mean, I'll have a recording, but I want to see it flip. This is a blink and you can miss it moment.
I hear the sound of drums.
Give him a timpani. Now I'm excited. Now I am really excited. Oh,
come on, baby.
Dear God. Yeah!
okay. 200K, folks. We're there. Yeah. All right, well, I guess we'll do it again at 300.